Hello dear students, today we are going to see my English book grade 6 complete workshop. Question number 1, let's explore. A. Name the 5 seasons of India and tell one feature of each. Answer. First one is spring. Spring is colorful with blooming flowers. Second, summer. Summer is hot and sunny. Third, monsoon. Monsoon brings heavy rainfall. Fourth, autumn. Autumn has clear skies and pleasant weather. Fifth, winter. Winter is cold and chilly. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks using appropriate words from the poem. First, the land has dash dash. Answer is dried. Second, the rivers are dash dash. Answer is thirsty. Third, the clouds are dash dash. Answer is dark. Fourth, feathers spread the peacock dash dash. Answer sway. Fifth, bolts of lightning, streaks and dash dash. Answer is shimmer. Next question, complete the sentences using your predictions. First, if it does not rain, then the land will remain dry. Second, if it rains continuously, then the land will remain soaked. Next question, find and write the words from the poem that rhyme with. First one is bark and the rhyming word is lark. Second, wonder, rhyming word is thunder. Third, merry, rhyming word is cherry. Fourth, yard and the rhyming word is hard. Next question, read the poem and complete the given table. Words are thunder, hose, bolt, bright and cheerful and drench. And the meaning is like that way. Thunder, similar word is roar. Hose, similar word is spray. Next word is bolt, similar word is flash. Next word is bright and cheerful and similar word is happy. Next word is drench and similar word is completely wet. Next question, which season is mentioned here? The land has dried, it's so parched. The fields are hungry, rivers thirsty, and the season is summer season. Next question, read, think and complete the following. Condition before rain and condition after rain. Here the first point is sky. The sun is shining very hard. This is condition before rain. And condition after rain, there is dark and cloudy. Second is land. Condition before rain is dry and parched. And after rain is wet and soaked. Next, earth. Condition before rain, the earth is hungry and thirsty. And after rain, the earth is happy and cheery. Dear students, if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.